Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
The Clash Royale theme, it's instantly recognizable, isn't it? That epic sound gets stuck in your head, and now, imagine playing it yourself. This video is going to show you the easiest way to bring that iconic melody to your piano in 2025. No complicated theory, just practical steps to get you playing quickly. So let's dive in and make some music. To truly capture that grand Clash Royale feel, we'll start with just 3 core chords. Begin with D minor for that dark, heroic sound, then transition to an A minor. You'll also use a simple C major chord. Practice moving smoothly between these, noticing how they create the powerful, marching rhythm that defines the song. It's the foundation of everything you'll play. Now for the exciting part, the melody. Your right hand will play those recognizable tunes. We'll tackle it in small, easy-to-learn sections. Start with the opening phrase, focusing on its distinctive ascending and then descending patterns. Listen closely to the original, then try to match those notes on your piano. Practice each phrase slowly, getting comfortable with the finger movements before moving on. Bringing both hands together is where the magic happens. Begin by playing your left-hand chords and right-hand melody at an extremely slow tempo. The goal here is perfect synchronization. Focus on which note aligns with which chord change. Don't rush it at all. Once you feel a solid rhythm at a slow pace, you can gradually, and I mean gradually, increase your speed. Patience is key here. Consistent, focused practice is your secret weapon to mastering this theme. Try practicing in short, regular bursts rather than one long session. Also, keep listening to the actual Clash Royale theme. It'll help you internalize the timing and feel. You've now got the tools to play this fantastic piece. Keep practicing, keep enjoying, and soon you'll be impressing your friends with this epic piano tune.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.